What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today I'm going to show you how to make some grilled barbecue pork steaks, baby. Oh, but we gotta go outside and we're burning daylight, so let's shag ass and get to it, shall we? Go! That's right, buddy. Barbecue grilled pork steaks. Now, it's a warm day today in Missouri, and it's a rare thing because it's warm in the winter. But you know, in the Midwest, when it's warm outside, you catch that warm day in winter, you want to party till it ends. So I'm going to do it right today. So, got my pork steak here. Pretty good sized pork steak. I just got 3 of them because there's 3 people eating. So, simple mathematics, sir. I did it quick. Like old, what's his face? So, next thing that you got to do once you got your pork steak out and laid out is so, you want to get your rib rub, baby. And today I'm using Famous Dave's rib rub seasoning. Legendary secret recipe. Well, it's not so much of a secret because I got it, Davey. So, we're going to pop this open. And like I said, this is rib rub. But I use this on everything that I barbecue. I like the flavor, I like the smell, and I sure do like the taste. So, first thing that we're going to do is sprinkle that shit on top. Just like that. Oh, it's raining seasoning. It's raining men like the weather girl. So, go ahead and sprinkle that shit on there, and you want a good amount because when you rub it in, it'll fall off the sides, it's gonna make a hell of a mess, but you're the one cleaning it up, so who gives a shit? So, go ahead and rub that in and sing to it, like the, we're gonna sing to it like the Isley Brothers. Let's sing, oh, and we're making sweet rub in between the meats. Oh, yeah, looks good. So, once you get that side done, flip it over and do the same thing on the other side, sir. Not too complicated, pretty simple today, because we want to hurry up. We don't want to lose no daylight now, do we? We don't want it to get too cool out there, which is pretty nice right now, but you know Missouri, it could change at the drop of a hat, son. So, we've got these rubbed up. We're going to go outside and fire that grill up, and we're going to get down, baby. We're going to get down good. So, follow me, should you? Shall you? Yes, you will. Ooh, yeah, baby. We're outside, and the grill is lit, and I'm getting there, too. So, what we're going to do is go ahead and take our pork steaks and put them on the grill. Now, like I say, you want to make sure you get your coals nice and hot, just like you, and make sure that you got them spread out evenly so they're working together. Now, if you got problems getting your coals rolling, leave a comment below and I'll help you out with that. So, let's go ahead and grab our pork steak and we're going to put it right on that grill. Now, once you get it on there, you want to wait about a length of drinking a beer, and then you're going to go and flip them, and wait another beer, flip them again, and just kind of check them and make sure that they don't burn, but make sure that they're good and done. Now, once we get them done, we're going to put that sauce on there. Today, you know I'm using the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, couldn't you have homemade barbecue sauce? Couldn't have you made some sauce by yourself? Well, you know me, baby. I ain't got time for that shit, so Sweet Baby Ray's it is. We're going to sprinkle that on top, smooth it out, make it good, and all told, probably take you about 20-25 minutes. But when you're done, you're going to have a beautiful, delicious sight and a wonderful bite tonight, and you're going to look at it and say, oh my goodness, I'm glad I went outside. So, I'm going to do my cooking, I'm going to let you be, and I'll see you back in the house. Alright, baby, the time has come. The barbecue grilled pork steak is done, and I'm having that first bite. For me, pick up my fork here. Give me a bite of it too. Oh. That's the one, baby. That good barbecue flavor. You get the dry rub, the sauce. It's the best of both worlds. Speaking of which, give myself a little sauce. Man. Oh! Wonderful, baby. And you are wonderful, too. And I want to thank you for joining me on another finger-licking episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy them steaks of the pork. And I'll see you next time, buddy.